How to find your comments on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to see all your comments on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Press the launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure that you sign into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. And now you need to scroll down. Tap on Setting and Privacy. Now choose Settings option. Scroll down and navigate to Activity Log option. Now select your Facebook activity. Scroll down and tap on Manage Comments and Reactions. Now you need to tap on Filters at top left corner and then tap on Categories. Tap on Comments. And here you will see all your past comments with date and times. If you wish to delete, you can tap the three dots and tap on Delete. So in this way, you can easily see all your comments on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.